Hey, Beautyistic family. It's always exciting to explore products that promise hydration without compromise, especially for those of us with dry to very dry skin that needs a bit of extra TLC. Today, I'm taking a close look at the CeraVe Hydrating Foaming Oil Cleanser, a fragrance-free, gentle cleanser designed not just for the face, but the body too. Packed with skin-loving ingredients like squalane oil, hyaluronic acid, and ceramides. This cleanser is interesting because it's formulated to remove makeup, dirt, and excess oils while keeping your skin's moisture barrier intact. Unlike typical foaming cleansers that can leave your skin feeling tight or stripped, this one starts as an oil and then transforms into a soft foam when rinsed with lukewarm water. The inclusion of ceramides 1, 3, and 6.2 is a big plus. They're key to maintaining a healthy skin barrier, especially for dry and sensitive skin types. Plus, it's recognized by the National Eczema Association, meaning it's gentle enough for eczema-prone skin, sensitive skin, and even babies. That's quite a range of skin needs covered in one product. Now, when I added this cleanser to my routine, I found it surprisingly versatile. The oil-to-foam texture feels luxurious and comforting on the skin. It's easy to massage in, and it thoroughly removed my makeup and daily grime without any residue. What stood out to me was the way it hydrated my skin rather than leaving it feeling tight or dry afterward. That's a rare win for foaming cleansers, which often skew too drying, especially for dry skin types. It also worked well in both my morning and evening routines, supporting a gentle cleanse that doesn't disrupt the natural oils we need. A few things I noticed. While it rinses cleanly, those with very oily skin might find the oil base a bit rich for daily use, but for dry, sensitive, or combination skin, it's spot on. The large 19 fluid ounce size means you get a generous amount, which helps with value over time. Packaging is practical, a simple pump bottle that dispenses the right amount without waste. It feels sturdy and travel-friendly, though it's on the larger side for travel itself. On the plus side, this cleanser's formula hits all the marks for hydration and skin barrier support, thanks to ceramides and hyaluronic acid. The fragrance-free and non-comedogenic nature means it's less likely to irritate or clog pores, which is ideal for sensitive skin. The oil-to-foam transformation provides a satisfying cleansing experience without that harsh stripping feeling. On the downside, if you're on a strict budget, this one is moderately priced in the mid-range category. Not expensive, but not the cheapest option either. Also, if you prefer a cleanser with a scent or more of a refreshing zing, this might feel a bit clinical or neutral, which some users might find less appealing. Comparing it to other hydrating cleansers, like the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Cleanser, CeraVe offers a unique oil-to-foam experience that adds a nice sensory twist. While Toleriane leans more toward creamy lotion texture, CeraVe's formula feels lighter, but still moisturizing, which could be a preference thing depending on your skin's needs. As for alternatives, if the price point feels a bit steep, brands like Vanicream or Cetaphil offer fragrance-free gentle cleansers with ceramide support at a slightly lower price, but they won't have the same oil-to-foam texture that makes this cleanser stand out. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. In summary, the CeraVe Hydrating Foaming Oil Cleanser excels at delivering gentle yet effective cleansing while supporting dry and sensitive skin with powerful hydration and barrier repair ingredients. It's a solid choice if you want to avoid that stripped feeling after washing your face or body, especially if your skin leans on the drier or more sensitive side. For anyone struggling with eczema-prone skin or looking for a no-frills, dermatologist-developed option, this cleanser is worth a serious look. Thank you so much for spending time here with Beautyistic. If you've tried this cleanser, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experience. The link to grab yours is in the description or comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.